Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Generation Old School. If this is your first time passing by the channel, my name is William. I want to welcome you to the channel where we celebrate the American automobiles of the 1950s. If you love classic cars, I would like for you to subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big like. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about the video and what other cars you would like for me to show you in this program. Behind me, I have a 1956 Oldsmobile 88 two-door hardtop. This car, we have it for sale, so stay to the end of the video because we're going to give you the number in case you need to call me if you're interested in buying this beautiful masterpiece. And also, we're going to be giving you the price. With that being said, give this video a like. And make sure that you subscribe. I'm going to give you a few seconds for you to check. You ready, did it? Let's go. This is not just a car. This is American history alive and rolling. You're looking at a beautiful 1956 Oldsmobile 88, fully restored and painted to its original and elegant citron yellow. And this beauty has spent its entire life under the California sun. From the gleaming chrome bumpers to the polished bezels around the headlights, this Oldsmobile wears its jewelry like it is prom night in 1956. The chrome hood ornament, the emblems, and even the stainless trim around the windshield and the rear glass are all in stunning conditions. Along the side, the full chrome trim is complete and in excellent condition as well, polished, with not a single dent. As you can see, this car is equipped with the original hubcaps from 1956, and it also has a full set of white wall tires. Something that I like about this car is that it has no post. Back in 1956, there were different models to choose from. The two-door hardtop like this one, the four-door hardtop, station wagon, and they even had a convertible. Like I mentioned, this car came from California and it was fully restored. All of the glass is in excellent conditions, including the interior. Interior is made from vinyl, and as you can see, it also has seat belts. The dash is padded. That was an option back then. And all of the chrome in the dash is in excellent conditions. This car is equipped with power steering, but it has no power brakes, and even the radio works. Door panels are just as nice as the rest of the upholstery. It has manual windows. Some of these cars had power windows, but on this one, that was not an option that they purchased. It has a new carpet. And even the glove box is in excellent condition. As you can see, the dash is gold. Over here you have the lighter, the controllers for the air to come inside the cabin by underneath the dash, and the beautiful oval cluster. Back in 1956, Oldsmobile offered two types of transmission. The Hydra-matic and the Jester way. This one has the second one, the Jester way. As you can see, the engine has been fully restored as well as the rest of the car. This car came with a 12-volt generator, but this one has been improved to a 12-volt alternator. Like I mentioned, it has power steering, the original carburetor filter, and it also was upgraded to a modern radiator. The radiator was painted black just to blend and match the rest of the colors of the engine. The radiator support is also in great conditions. The horns, as well as the rest of the cables that run from the front to the rear of the car. Like I mentioned, all of the chrome in this car is in excellent conditions, including the headlight bezels, the front bumper. Underneath is just as clean and as nice as the rest of the car. You have the original tag from California in the front, as well as another one in the rear. And it is needless to say that this car has zero rust. I would love to have a lift so I could put it on a lift for you guys, but I'm doing the best that I can here to give you a full description and show you this car to the best of my abilities. Gas cap. This car has dual exhaust. Let me show you the trunk. That way you guys can see how nice it is, just like the rest of the car. You have the original spare tire with the rim painted citrus yellow, just like the rest of the car. And the trunk is fully carpeted, matching the colors of the interior. I have never seen an Oldsmobile this color. It's the first time that I own one, and when I saw this car, I had to buy the car. The owner of this car almost started crying when they went to pick it up to bring it down to Florida, because he had owned the car for the last 20-something years. The 1955 and 1956 are pretty similar, but I think the 1956 looks even better. The massive two-piece front bumper gives the car a very aggressive look. Let me know in the comment section which one do you like the most, 55, 56, or 57. I think out of all of the years that I mentioned, and it's not because I'm selling this one or anything like that, I don't want to be biased, but out of all of the years that I mentioned, 55, 56, and 57, I think, in my opinion, the 56 is my favorite. I'm in love with the interior. They did an amazing job with the interior of this car. All of the windows roll up and down. Let me show you the front one as well as the rear one, and the doors close very, very nice. Even the rain guard or flippers work very, very nicely. This is a car that has been very well taken care of. Like I mentioned, you have the original hubcaps from 1956, white wall tires. All of these cars must have a white wall tires, and I'm noticing that the glass is also tinted. Very nice. It's like smoked. The trunk is in beautiful conditions. We're gonna be asking $35,000 for this car. Give us a call, 305-783-0755. We are located in Miami, Florida. We can help you with transportation and shipping, unless you wanna find your own car hauler, which with me, I have no problem with that. Let's work for me. But if you want, I can also connect you with very reliable and honest truck drivers that we have worked in the past. I love the front bumper on this car, as well as the headlights. They're beautiful. Let me show you the engine one last time, that way you can see how clean this engine is. Like I mentioned, power steering, carburetor cleaner, new battery. Like I mentioned, it has a newer radiator to help with cooling. I will stay here all day filming this car for you guys. Let's do one last walk around video, that way you guys can see before we leave this place. Please subscribe to the channel. We do videos of classic cars for sale. We help people in Miami sell their classic cars. And we also do car shows in Miami. And we travel to other places in Florida where they do car shows And if you don't want to miss any of those videos, please subscribe. All of the chrome around the windows are in excellent condition. Door handles, chrome on the door. It is a beautiful car. We're gonna go for a quick test drive. Like I mentioned, this car is automatic. It has a V8 engine. Runs very, very good. And it draws a lot of attention. Every time you drive somewhere, people have to stay looking at it. Power steering, no power brakes, no AC. It has an upgraded radiator, a 12-volt alternator. Everything works in the dash, as you can see here. Speedometer, we're doing almost 40 miles an hour, about 35 miles an hour. Gas gauge works, temperature, oil pressure. Runs very, very smooth, no vibrations. The steering wheel doesn't move to the left or to the right. There's no play in the steering wheel, as you guys can see. Even when you stop, it doesn't pull to the left or to the right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope the next time you see this car is inside your garage. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you all. All right, guys, one more time, one last walk around. That way you guys can see this beautiful 1956 Oldsmobile. Once again, the color is citrus yellow. Dual exhaust. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And please leave a comment. What do you think about the car? Do you like it? What don't you like about the car? And which one is your favorite? 55, 56, or 57? Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you all.